showreel, and I was very happy seeing that because Toons has done a fabulous job, and even the story content is very good, and I believe and I hope that all the children are going to love it.
So we also want to know what prompted you to do this venture with Cartoon Network.
You see, when Toons came to me with Cartoon Network, and we had a discussion in the office about 2 years back, so it was a very good step to take the franchise forward. Usually it's the other way around, that from animated films we make feature films, but this was the first time that animated film is being made from a feature film.
Hello, Ritu.
You all were very late. I think because of the traffic, it's my turn to complain about that. You're forgiven because I'm Krish. I am a good man, so it's okay that you were late today. वो सब के बारे में तो मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन एक चीज पक्की है, मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, my 2 kids, 7 and 5. I just want to start this off by saying that they have seen the first movie of Kid Krish and they have fallen in love with it. So my result is already out there. I don't need to hear anything else. It's already a success for me. So thank you to Cartoon Network, Mr. Krishna. Thank you to my father to give me an opportunity like this in my life, where I can contribute and entertain, not just by myself, but because of the symbol that we have created as Krish. And what a wonderful way to help children through entertainment realize and discover good versus bad, to instill values in them about life and about what is good and right and wrong. Well, I had so many. I think my favorite was, there's so many, I'll just name a few. There was Popeye, but I hated to have the spinach. At that time. But it was a great cartoon because it actually made me understand and realize that spinach was good. I should eat it, and today I do eat it. I love it.
That's how the muscles are, right?
That's how the muscles come. Tom and Jerry, and there was one cartoon where all the superheroes were in one. There was Superman, Batman. I forget the name of Justice League. Yeah, Justice League.
And thank you, my dear audience, for your patient listening. You are all cordially invited to join in for lunch after the show. Yes, and do not forget to inform everyone, especially all the little kids in your vicinity, about Kid Krish being premiered on Cartoon Network.
पूरी ज़िंदगी फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग में मैंने बिता दी है. अब क्रिश के लिए एक्चुअली आई डिडंट हैव टू डू मच. आई जस्ट हैड टू मेंटेन what all I had learned. तो क्रिश के लिए मेहनत actually went in resurrecting my back, क्योंकि जब क्रिश शुरू हो रही थी तो मेरी पीठ पे I had a double slip disc. तो it was all about recovering from that to be able to do this film. और डॉक्टर्स ने तो मना कर दिया था कि I should not do this film, और मेरे पापा को भी बता दिया था कि this will be very dangerous for him to do. तो पापा के हिसाब से ही वांटेड टू शेल्व द फिल्म, लेकिन मैंने ठानी और मैंने कहा कि मुझे 3 महीने का अगर वक्त दिया जाए तो आई विल बी एबल टू गेट स्ट्रॉन्ग अगेन एंड आई विल बी एबल टू डू दिस फिल्म. तो इस फिल्म के लिए फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग वाज अबाउट रिकूपरेटिंग फ्रॉम माय बैड बैक.